Silver bells. Yes. Silver bells. Da 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 da.
Now the song stuck in my head. It's not even Thanksgiving. Oh, I need to adjust the straps on this band. It's like crushing my skull. Y'all have no idea. So I need to kind of work on that. Tick tock, waiting for the perfect time. Tick tock. Ah. Hey, I might can go after this. SRT4. I'm gonna park right here, away from everyone. Uh-oh. Apparently, got one smashed up. SRT4. You about to be popped. Here we go, dude. Michelin wiper blades. What? Not a big fan of masks. Oh my gosh. You watch YouTube?
Thank you.
You want it? You're recording me, I'm recording you. How about that? Legos. Is there a Lego Spider-Man by chance? Oh, yes there is. Woo! $29. That's a lot. Oh, that's cool. Hey, he said he likes Spider-Man or Legos. Okay, well I found a Spider-Man Lego set. $29 though. It has Spider-Man, Iron Venom, and Carnage. Nah. Okay, well I'll see what I can find. Oh. Okay. Okay, well. Okay, well, I'll see what I can do. I keep getting these weird looks. Yep. Okay. Alright, I love you too. Bye. Oh. Quit falling. This is $10 almost. This looks perfect. Age 6 and up. Lego Spider-Man. Alright. Huh?
Sir, is that all you have?
Huh? Oh, yes, please. Alright. In case you're wondering about the camera, it's because I got a YouTube channel.
I was wondering, like,
Yeah, you want it?
sure.
So, don't worry, I can edit all this out.
Alright, sir. 1247.
1247.
So you just everywhere you go, you wear your camera?
Not everywhere. This is my first time, well, second time today going in the store with it on. I'm trying to build my subscribers up, so it's just taking. I normally just drive in my car and record, so I'm trying to change it up. I got other people that I watch that inspired me, and they like walk in stores and stuff, and I'm like, oh, okay, I'll give it a try.
See if you did, I mean, what have
Yeah.
you saw you had been kind of offended that you have that on?
Say what?
Have you had anybody that's been kind of offended that you've had that on?
No. I mean, I am a little nervous about having it on because I'm like, I don't want somebody to like come up to me, but I mean, if it happens, it happens. So
That's a cool thing, though.
yeah, I told my wife, I'm like, if the way this crazy world is, why not wear a camera on my head?
Perfect. You see a lot of subscribers there.
Yeah. All right, thank you. Hey, you watch YouTube?
Pardon me?
You watch YouTube?
Once in a while, yeah. Oh, thank you.
I should really start wearing my sunglasses. Aw, V6 Camaro, come on. Some young man trying to make it sound all loud, wishing you had a V8. Okay. Kind of tempted to run that Camaro down. That's just me though. But oh well. I'll let him bask in his glory for now. Oops. I just realized I bought a Dr. Pepper and I left it back there. Come here, Dr. Pepper. Come here. Oh, come to your daddy. Oh, there you go. Alright. Alright, mate. Now we can hit the road. It's 73 degrees out here. I mean, come on, people. Middle of November and it's 73 degrees. Alrighty then. Let's go.